The first time somebody actually paid for my online training, I nearly lost my mind, and I'm not exaggerating. I was so excited. The reason is that I made around 10,000 naira that night. 10 people paid 1,000 naira each for my training, and that's roughly 20 US dollars if you're converting. I couldn't believe it that I could sit in my house, press my phone, get alerts to that amount. Now, you might think that that's little, but at that time, it meant the whole world to me. Because when I did my industrial training, which was not too long before that, that was my entire salary for a whole month. That means I had to come to work every day except Sundays for a whole month for me to earn that money. But I made it in one night. God, I was super excited. And that day, my eyes opened to the beautiful and amazing profitable opportunities available on the internet. One of them is selling your knowledge in form of online trainings. I want to show you in this video how you can get started making at least 100,000 naira monthly selling your knowledge. And of course, after that time, which was a couple of years back, I've been able to do a lot more than that every month selling my knowledge. In fact, one of my recent courses has done thousands of dollars in just a few months of putting it online. Now, here's one secret I'm going to let you in on. When you're trying to build it or make it big, or build a profitable business online through your knowledge. When I talk about your knowledge, I mean online courses, online trainings, digital products, ebooks, and all of that. One thing you must focus on is marketing, how to sell that knowledge. I see a lot of people making the mistake of paying too much attention on the branding, the color codes, the logo, the designs. These things are important, no doubt. They are amazing. They are beautiful. They catch attention. But these things do not directly bring in the money. And what you should focus on, especially if you're just starting out and you're in no way related to Elon Musk, focus on the marketing, because you need the money. So if you want to learn how to focus on marketing and get the actual sales for your product in hundreds and thousands, like I've done and a number of my students have done, click on the link below and let me take you on a journey of making as much as you want selling your knowledge online with your phone, with your laptop, with any device that you have. Click on the link below. It's going to take you to my WhatsApp, where I'll tell you the next steps you need to take to be able to participate in the Information Product Academy. It's an academy where I take you on a whole journey for a number of days, showing you my secrets, my undisclosed strategies that I've used to sell hundreds and thousands of copies of my digital products. I will show you these things if you click on the link below. I cannot wait to welcome you. I'll see you inside. Bye.